Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women, and this video is a quick nugget for my busy ladies who want tips to get there faster. And if you happen to have that extra time today, watch till the end to access a full video. Enjoy. How to make him worry about losing you. Number one, always keep improving, grow as a person, aim to be the best self. When you keep improving yourself, you are evolving, you are growing, you are not staying stagnant. And your growth, aiming to be the best of yourself, is not only enjoyable for you, as every step that you take towards it makes you feel more valuable and worthy, but it's also very attractive for others. As first, you are not staying the same all the time. Think about it, right? How many times do you like to read the same book? After about 2 times, it's boring, right? But what if the pages never end and there is something new in each chapter? And this is exactly how you aiming to be the best of you gives a healthy amount of uncertainty to the opposite sex, keeps him wondering and makes him fall in love with you. And naturally, fear of losing you is, hey, who wouldn't? You're amazing. Number 2, setting in the healthy boundaries when needed. When you set in boundaries with people, you show with your actions that you value yourself. You do not allow people to abuse, bully, manipulate, and use you, which makes others respect and value you instead. So, how do you make him fear losing you? Well, setting a boundary requires a lot of strength. And by setting it in, you are showing that, look, if you're not going to treat me with respect, I do not have a place for you in my life. And when people sense your strength after experiencing a few boundaries, not only their respect for you increases, but also we start to see you as more valuable. Therefore, fear of losing you kicks in. Just think about it. Don't we all appreciate things or people that have value more than the ones that don't? Number 3, put God first. Do not put all your focus on a man. Do not put him on a pedestal. Do not give your life away for him or jump at his every single unreasonable wish or demand. As soon as you will do that, he will start to lose interest in you. Why? Because he is looking for a woman with a personality, for a woman that inspires and motivates him, for a woman who has a character, rather than neglects herself for a man and sets her life into pleasing him. Right? Ladies, that is not only extremely unhealthy for both of you, but also very boring. Instead, well, I'm a Christian, I'm talking from a Christian's perspective. Put God first. Put the life that He has for you first. Follow your path and stay on it. And yes, of course, you should support and be there for each other and so on, but by no means turn that support into putting him on a pedestal and start worshiping a man. Instead, follow Lord's path, keep your eyes on what is the right thing to do, and your guy's eyes will stay on you. Thank you for watching this short clip. For the full video, as I mentioned, click the link above or check in the description box below. Leave a comment, subscribe, and if you would like some help, book me for one-to-one, and the link will also be in the description box below. Kisses! Bye!